Guys, I need to get healthier, so I'm gonna start taking walks and documenting my journey on here. And it's not even because I want to lose weight. I mean, yeah, that would be good because I have like a double chin and I want to get rid of that. But it's because our bodies, they are temples of the Holy Spirit. And I want to get healthier, so I'm going to try not to eat McDonald's or as much ice cream. I gotta work out. I gotta go on walks. I remember in the summer I would go on walks every single day in the morning. And I really want to do that again because I was so filled with joy and I felt so good. So I want to definitely do that again because it was so worth it. But I will definitely keep y'all updated because I feel like it's very important as Christians to keep our bodies healthy because we got to be good examples, you know? And like, it's not even just